What up, YouTube? Tuning with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. So, hey, I'm getting ready for the holidays, baby. I'm sure y'all gonna see this after the holidays. But I'm about to make me a nice sweet potato pie, and I'm gonna do it a little different from what I did. The last one I did it to try to tell y'all ingredients, but it ain't really come out how I like. So I'm gonna do it again, and this time, hey, I can't tell you no measurements. I'm just doing it to my taste. You just gonna have to watch this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I already boiled the sweet potatoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling the skin off these. Alright, welcome back, you guys. So I got all the potatoes peeled. I already added one stick in the middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in another stick. We'll go ahead and start getting that mixed up. The butter's gonna get nice and creamy. Alright, so you guys, it look like I got about 3 pies, so I put 2 eggs for every pie, so I'm gonna be putting 6 eggs in here, man. We'll go ahead and let that get combined together. Alright, so I got 1 can of milk. I'm gonna add 1 whole can of milk to it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in some cinnamon. As I say, so I'm putting a cup of sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it and see if I need any more sugar. Let me grab a spoon. Yes, I do need more sugar. Ooh. Gonna add in some more nutmeg. Put in some pure vanilla extract. All right, so our pie filling's done. So I'm gonna throw these pie crusts. I just got some made up store-bought pie crusts. I'm gonna throw them in the oven for about 5 minutes. Let them get nice and just a little done, so the filling doesn't break soon and hit the shader. My pie crusts is out after 5 minutes. You can see how they started to rise a little. So we can go ahead and put in our filling. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven for about an hour on 350 degrees. Stay tuned, you guys. So here we have the final product of the sweet potato pie, man. This is some of that grandma sweet potato pie. Hey, y'all see I was just throwing ingredients. A little pinch of that, a little pinch of this, a little pinch of that. Ooh, I can't wait to dig into this sweet potato pie. Hey, y'all drop some comments below, some more Thanksgiving ideas or holiday ideas you guys like to see coming in the near future, man. Thanks for tuning into this video today. Peace out.